Hello, my name is Sean. Today we're making macarons. First we're going to need a food processor. Then dump your powdered sugar in. Then dump your almond flour in that, and then in that. Press pause on the decompressor. Next, we're going to dump the mix into a sieve in a bowl. Then you're going to shake it until all of it comes through. Now we're going to dunk egg whites in. Next, clean up tartar. Now mix with a blender. One tiny spoon at a time, add the powdered sugar. See how I'm doing it? Dumping a little in, and then turning it on again. Wow, we're looking for peaks, and you see no peaks. We're going to mix until there are stiff peaks. See? Peaks. The peaks are stiff. Look. Do you see it? Good. Now you want to add your mint extract. And it fizzes. But now we mix. Now you want to add your green food coloring, squeeze in a lot. And mix again. It's turning green! It's turning green! Next we're going to scrape this mixture into the other mixture and scrape gently. Forward gently. This is what it looks like when it's done. Use the pastry bag to make your macarons. Now we let them dry out for about 30 minutes. See, they're done. But now we need to do the frosting in the middle. Add egg yolks to a cold pan. Then add the sugar and start to stir. Now you can turn on your pan. Now when you're done mixing, add cream. Really cream. Add cream. Now add cocoa. Now you mix. After 5 minutes, it should look like pudding. Let me show you. Is it right if I show them? Like that. It's still way too hot. If you turn it, you might burn yourself. Now we're going to start off by frosting the cookies with a knife. It's kind of hard. I think that's enough. Now spread it around like this. Now add the other cookie. It's a macaron now. It's delicious if you try it sometimes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. But one quick question. There's something I really want to tell you. There's going to be lots more cooking videos coming out. So be sure to have your eye out for one.